Hello. So it sounds like we should stick with TRAPPIST 20 and then look at this plan in detail and make sure that we have it finalized.
This is our observation plan, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be a really good test of the telescope itself.
Yeah. I'd be really interested to understand, if they are tidally locked, like the moon, what that means for having a permanent day and a permanent night side.
There would be some people who would constantly be living in daylight and then other people who would be constantly living in darkness.
Right. I mean, the best place to be on these planets would probably be perpetual twilight, right? Right around the edge
right at the limb.
And what that would be like, because living in the Arctic and you living through perpetual twilight, it's a very strange experience.
Do we know what the temperature differences would be?
As long as there's air. Air is very good. They have substantial atmospheres.
My favorite thing about TRAPPIST is that if you're on the surface of one of the planets, you can see the other planets resolved in the sky.
Yeah, bigger than the moon, right?
It would never have been a question of, is the Earth the center of the universe? I mean, it's crazy to think that TRAPPIST being 39 light years away means that they can hear what we were doing on the radio and television 39 years ago. The first years of Reagan, Madonna. What do you think they'd think about us? Do you think they would think that we're going in the right direction?
Interesting question.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Well, so if they're monitoring our culture, they're also monitoring any sort of atmospheric signals as well, right?
Yeah.
So they're probably watching, our carbon dioxide emissions and all of this and probably thinking,
what are they doing down there?